Hello and good evening, everybody. You all must be thinking that too happy for today, and all of us, in fact, why not? It's the day which we all have been waiting for, and the way Arnab Goswami had been arrested on 4th of November morning, nobody can forget that day had gone in the history of the dictatorship of Maharashtra government, the way they tried to attack on the Indian democratic system. Nobody can ever forget that, but nobody will ever forget today also. So that the landmark judgment which came in favor of Arnab Goswami is a victory of each one of us, in fact, not only for the journalist, it's the victory also for all who believe in freedom of speech, who believe that yes, there is something which is called democracy, and democracy has a fourth pillar which is called media and press, and nobody can attack it just like that. And today I really admire the way Harish Salve specifically really set the Supreme Court on fire with his arguments, and the way he had given it the very clear cut arguments for Arnab Goswami, and that's really admirable. And also, the truth today has won, and for each one of us, this is our victory, and this is going to go in the pages of Indian media history, in the pages of and written and talked about, and we all are going to rejoice this Diwali with lot of pride, in fact, that yes, today एक बुराई के ऊपर बहुत बड़ी अच्छाई की जीत हुई है, एक फेयर जर्नलिज्म की जीत हुई है, जिसके लिए कॉमन मैन, अगर ये तो जैसे अर्नब गोस्वामी थे, आप ये सोचिए कि इस फाइट में अगर हार होती तो कॉमन मैन की कितनी बड़ी हार होनी थी। तो एक सम्मान रखा गया है, भारतीय जनता का एक सम्मान रखा गया है, न केवल भारत के उन लोगों का जिन्होंने प्रोटेस्ट किया, आवाज़ उठाए, बहुत ऊंची आवाज़ें उठी हैं अर्नब के सपोर्ट के लिए। सो यू लुक एट हिज पॉपुलैरिटी, एंड today, if I think tonight, if he comes on the debate, it's going to be the biggest TRP on his channel ever seen on any of the media for that matter. So that's the victory, and he has emerged as a hero on a better way, and a stronger Arnab Goswami we all are waiting and going to see. सो आज का जो ये दिन है, ये 11 है, जो हम हिंदू पर्व जो मनाने जाने वाले हैं दीपावली, उसकी 11 का दिन है आज। और आज के दिन मैं दिल से मन से उनको बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ, उनके रिपब्लिक चैनल को, उनके पूरे सारे एम्प्लॉयज़ को, ख़ास तौर से उनकी वाइफ को, जिन्होंने इस पर्टिकुलर समय जो था ये 7 से 8 दिन का अपना संबल, अपना जो आत्मबल था वो बनाए रखा, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड द वे शी हैड मैनेज्ड एवरीथिंग, दैट इज़ कमेंडेबल, एंड दैट इज़ अदरवाइज दैट विल पावर अगर नहीं हो तो you can really fail on certain things, and the way she had done it, उनके जो बेटे हैं उन्होंने किया, उनके पिता, उनकी माता, उनका जो पूरा परिवार है, उन सभी को आई गिव देम लॉट ऑफ respect, and I'm really proud of Arnab Goswami, definitely, and the way he's emerged is going to come out to be a very strong person now, and we all are waiting for his Puchta Hai Bharat, and also for Nation Wants to Know, and many more things he's going to now talk about it. So the lion is back, as everybody is roaring, along with Arnab Goswami, that the lion is back tonight, and he will be back, I think, hopefully tonight, and if not tonight, then probably tomorrow on the show once he's fine. So let's rejoice this moment of celebration, which is for the freedom of speech, and it was really required, no matter what you say. But अगर ये आज नहीं होता तो शायद एक भारतीय लोगों का भी विश्वास उठ जाता लोकतंत्र के इस पूरे संरचना को लेकर के, और साथ ही में फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच को लेकर के जो मीडिया और जर्नलिज्म की है। अब इसमें भी दो बातें हैं, अगर कुछ सेट ऑफ पीपल हैं, दे आर सो अनहैप्पी अबाउट इट, दे डोंट इवन वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इट, दे आर नॉट इवन कमेंटिंग, दे आर नॉट इवन राइटिंग, दे आर नॉट सेइंग एनीथिंग. So I am happy for that also. You have your own right, at least you have the right to not to agree with me, so that right you can always exercise. But at the same time, if we are happy about it, let us be happy. Don't be jealous of it, don't be jealous of Arnab, don't envy about about this victory over the evil. Even if you do, it's your own things, and we all are happy about it, and we will rejoice. We are celebrating, and it's part of the Diwali celebrations. So all the very best to Republic Media Network. All the very best to the entire team. The way Pradeep Bhandari ji had managed entire thing backstage, also over a period वहाँ उनके एक और VP को अरेस्ट अभी किया हुआ है. He is not yet come out, but I hope he will also be out very soon, and we all are hoping positively, because if the arrest is illegal, it's not going to retain. So similarly, same thing should happen for him, and we all are hope, and thank you for keeping the faith alive for the judicial system, and they have proven it right today. That हमने अगर विश्वास रखा था तो उस विश्वास को बनाए रखा. भारतीय जो न्यायिक पूरी हमारी एक जो संस्था है उसने भी, और ख़ास तौर से ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने, और जिस तरीके से इस पूरी बात को रखा गया शुरू से ही, अगर आप पूरा देखेंगे उसको, तो आई वॉज एंड आई हैव बीन वॉचिंग इट एंड फॉलोइंग इट सिंस मॉर्निंग and till 4. So it was superb, and the way everything had happened in a very decent manner, और बहुत अच्छे से सब कुछ हुआ है, और people are rejoicing. You must be seeing on Republic channel itself the way lots and lots of people have come on the street, and they are celebrating, and they are saying that yes, हमारा शेर वापस आ गया है, और हम जो है वो दीपक जला रहे हैं, दिए जला रहे हैं, आज हमारी दीपावली है. सो आप ये देखिए कि उनकी जो प्रसिद्धि की आवाज़ है, वो आवाज़ केवल भारत तक भी नहीं है, वो आवाज़ देश विदेश के कोनों तक है. तो अब तो समझना चाहिए महाराष्ट्र सरकार को कि किस पर प्रहार करने चले थे, और कैसा उल्टा प्रहार अब उनके ऊपर ही हुआ है. So it's a big lesson, big lesson for any government if they try to turn into dictators. So it's a big lesson, it's a very big lesson, and a very strong message today which had given by the Supreme Court of India, and I salute them for giving up this kind of decision. And also to the entire veterans of Indian Army, especially Major General Bakshi and his team, the way they have taken it up, the way they have given a strong voice to Arnab Goswami's arrest. Against that, they had gone to the president also. So we all should be very thankful to them as well, because इस पूरी ही बातों में एक एक व्यक्ति का योगदान बहुत मैटर करता है. और उसके अलावा भी जितने सारे लोग हैं उन्होंने प्रोटेस्ट किए हैं रोड्स पर जाकर के. बहुत सारे लोग हैं, आम जनता है जो समूहों में आई हैं, ग्रुप्स में आई थी. दिल्ली के जंतर मंतर पर जाकर के उन्होंने कई दिनों तक सारे प्रदर्शन किए हैं. सो we should be, especially I am thankful to them. We at Nation Talks are thankful to them. At Aspiring She, we are thankful to them that yes, you have kept that thing alive. And for Arnab Goswami, thank you for raising your voices. So that matters a lot. And on behalf of everyone, we should be thankful to the Supreme Court of India as well. So thank you so much, and let's rejoice tonight, and let's stay happy, stay positive, and let's have faith in the judicial system of India, that some way or the other the true things are going to win in India. Still Satyamev Jayate. Thank you.